HP docking station firmware updates are crucial for maintaining device stability, security, and compatibility. These updates fix bugs like connectivity drops, add new features such as faster charging, and patch security vulnerabilities. HP has streamlined this process with AI-driven checks via HP Support Assistant, automatically detecting and applying updates. Firmware is different from device drivers. It directly controls the hardware. Update when you experience issues like display flickering, USB-C charging failures, or connectivity problems. HP releases updates quarterly for most models, and applying them resolves 95% of reported issues post-2023. First, check your docking station's compatibility on HP's support site using the serial number. Next, download the latest firmware using HP Support Assistant or manually from the HP website. Connect the docking station to power and your HP laptop. Run the installer and allow 5 to 15 minutes for completion, avoiding any disconnections. Verify the update by checking the firmware version in HP Support Assistant or the BIOS UEFI settings of connected devices. Finally, test all peripherals to ensure functionality. Common pitfalls include interrupted updates, so ensure stable power and back up your data beforehand.